Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. It is the last day of the week, which means, what does it mean? It means nothing really. I don't do anything. I'm a homebody. I stay home. But for those of you that have amazing plans for the weekends, hooray for you. Today's video is going to be my monthly favorites. If you guys are new to my channel, I always sit down and film my monthly favorites, obviously at the very last day of the month-ish. We're almost done with the month, which is, whoa, crazy. Half the year is gone. Half the year, you guys. 2019, where? So for today's video, again, I'm going to show you guys pretty much all the products that I was loving in the month of June. I have a little bit of makeup, a little bit of hair, a little bit of skin, some brushes. I don't have too much stuff going on, and I promise you guys, I'm trying to push myself to like try out new products. I just tend to have the habit of just sticking with what I like and like just using the same thing over and over again. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this monthly favorites. Let's move on to some foundations that I've been totally loving. Now you guys know that Juvia's Place recently released a new foundation. I did a review with the concealer as well. I did stop using this for maybe a good week because I felt like this actually broke me out, and I don't know what it was, if it was this, if it was something else, but I have used it again since then, and I have not seen any breakouts. You guys saw this little blackhead that I had right here, or a little pimple, and so many people were giving me their opinion and their input saying that's not a pimple, it's a herpes or a cold sore. I'm like, girl, I know my body, okay? And I knew it was a pimple because all the yuckiness actually just came out of this huge pimple that I had. So again, I'm not sure if it was the Juvia's Place foundation that caused that, but I have not seen any breakouts since then. The only thing that I don't like is that this oxidizes on my skin, so I literally have to drag it down, especially when I'm wearing tops like these. And yeah, that's the only thing that I really have to complain of. But if you are looking for an extremely full coverage matte foundation and that is not going to leave you too cakey, I highly suggest this one. The other foundation that I've been loving is another one that I also reviewed. This is brand new by Maybelline. It's the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup with SPF of 50. I don't think I've ever seen a foundation with SPF 50. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I absolutely love this foundation. I love the way it looks on my skin. It's actually not too bad if you are oily skin. I find it to wear really beautifully if I am wearing a mattifying primer. So I love this. If you like a dewy-ish type of foundation, this one gives you medium to buildable coverage. It's not like super full coverage, but it gives you enough coverage to like go on about your day, you know? So I love this one. My shade is Soft Tan, and my shade on this one is Tangier. Which again, if you are my shade, go maybe a shade lighter than what I have, because yeah, this is just a little too dark. I almost want to pick up like a lighter shade because I really do love this foundation. Brushes, I only have two brushes that I wanted to mention to you guys really quickly. These are by Morphe. This is the Morphe E4 and this is the Morphe M439. I have been wanting to buy these brushes for such a long time, but I am such a cheap biatch that I do not want it. I just didn't want to order them online because I was like, okay, if I order these, I have to order stuff to make it free shipping, and you know, a girl's you gotta be balling on a budget. So if you guys, again, don't follow me on my socials, I will have them listed somewhere here. Me and my man and my little girl, we actually took like a little mini road trip to Las Vegas. We ended up taking my suegro, my father-in-law, to Vegas. He was flying out to Mexico, and so me and my man were like, you know what, let's just go take him. He can grab the plane from there, and then we can just enjoy half a day or a day in Vegas. The night that we got there, you know, we relaxed, we had lunch, which we had lunch at this restaurant called Los Molcajetes. If you guys live in Las Vegas, try a restaurant called Los Molcajetes. Oh my god, best Mexican food ever. Anyways, so after that, we went back to our hotel, and then we went walking to the strip, and I noticed that there was like a huge like poster saying that there was a Morphe store inside. I was like, what? Morphe store, so y'all knew that I had to go. I live in Utah. We don't have a lot of like crazy cool makeup stores here, so I was like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So I went into Morphe. I actually picked up 3 things. These are the brushes that I picked up. This one, I've been wanting it. I see Manny MUA use this brush a lot, and honestly I just wanted it because Samantha Hole, like, it just caught my attention. And then the Morphe M439 is a foundation brush. Oh my god, I love this brush so much. It's the one that I used to like buff out my foundation today, and I seriously love the way that this blends it out. I love the way my skin is looking right now and what I've been using when I wear tops like these. So I got a PR package from Sally Hansen. They sent over their new Illuminator airbrush legs. This is the shade Golden Glow, and this is the shade Nude Glow. Oh my god, you guys, these are amazing. I have been wanting to try out the Huda Beauty one, and then the there's another one that I've seen floating around YouTube. I'm not sure of the name. Oh, I have it, something Ta. But their body illuminators, they're a little bit pricey, and y'all know I like to stay balling on a budget. So when I got these, I was like, oh my god, these are perfect. What I like kind of about this product is that it's actually a roll-on applicator. So once you twist it up, do you guys see how it has a little roll-on applicator? So all you do is you just roll it on the skin. Now this one says for legs, but honestly I just use it for all over my body. This is the golden shade. I don't like to rub it in with my hands because it does have a little bit of a like glittery finish. So I use this brush. This is the Artiste Palm brush, and I just rub it in, and it gives me such a beautiful tan, and it makes my skin look so glowy. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but that is what I have all over my shoulders, all over like my neck. And I also mixed it with this, with the Nude Glow. I'm going to show you guys a quick swatch of it. This one is a little bit lighter, and it's more of a rose gold champagne, but this one is absolutely beautiful, and they smell, oh my god, they smell so good. A very fresh scent. I'm not sure where you guys can find them, but if I do find them for you, of course I will leave them linked down in the description box. Before I forget, I want to mention this mirror that I've had sitting in front of me for the past like 3 months, and I keep forgetting to show you guys in my favorites that I've been loving this mirror. So if you are someone that does your makeup, or you just are looking for a really good mirror in general, oh my god, I recommend this one so much. So I'm huge on Amazon, you guys. I love Amazon. If you guys want to see my favorite products from Amazon, please let me know, because I have so much stuff that I order from Amazon like almost on a daily. So a few months ago I ordered me this mirror, and as you can see, it's like a stainless steel, and then it has just this beautiful mirror right here. Mine's a little bit dirty. Oh my god, I love this. The quality of it is so good, and it's so heavy, and it was not expensive. I think it was like 25 bucks, 30 maybe, but it was definitely under 30 bucks. It is totally worth it though, because if you think about it, you're like, a mirror for 30 bucks. It's totally worth it, especially again if you are a makeup artist, or if you are a beauty vlogger and you do videos. These come in so handy because again, the quality is just so like crystal clear. I don't know what it is about this mirror, I just love it. And it does have this little swivel thing that you just like move it around. Oh, I love this. Let's move on to a little bit of hair care. Now, I naturally have super curly hair, and I know some people like to again give their opinions and tell me that my hair is not curly. Girl, I was born with curly hair. Now, obviously, my hair isn't as curly as it used to be because I straighten my hair a lot more than I leave it curly. So I've damaged tons of my curls. But whenever I'm in the mood for leaving my hair down curly and just letting my hair breathe, I love these. I have tried so many hair products for my curly hair to bring the curls back. And honestly, like, these two are the only thing that I've actually seen results. This one is the Aussie Miracle Curls Cream Pudding with coconut and jojoba oil. I love this because it doesn't contain sulfates, parabens, and dyes. And I am so close to finishing mine. Mine is disgusting. There's like hairs everywhere. But that is what it looks like. Like, there's barely anything left in that. I absolutely love to put this in my hair. As soon as I get out of the shower, I'll just wring my hair, and I will apply this once it's not like soaked, but it's still pretty wet. And I'll just run my fingers throughout my hair and then scrunch it with a towel to create more curls. I love that this doesn't weigh down my hair. It doesn't make it look greasy. It doesn't make it look oily. It gives so much curls and so much life to my curls. And then once I've applied that, I like to go in with just a little bit of this. This is the Aussie Miracle Curls Mousse with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. This is the maximum hold. And I don't need much because the cream itself does the job. But I do like to apply this because my hair tends to get pretty frizzy because I have so much thick and long hair that it just creates frizz, I guess. I don't know. Crazy hair. I wanted to mention this lipstick very quickly because, oh my god, you guys, you have no idea how long I've been looking for this lipstick. This is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please. I bought this when they launched their first collab or their first collection with Dose of Colors like a year or 2 years ago. And that is the shade right now. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips. So I bought this, fell in love with it. If you are a morenita and if you can get this, this is like the perfect nude lip liner for you. I don't like to apply this alone. You guys know that I always wear a lip liner. So if you guys wear like a deep brown lip liner and then apply this on the top, oh my god, it's just like the perfect combo. But anyways, long story short, I haven't seen this lipstick in probably over a year. And I think I lost it last year when we went to California. Well, my sister ended up finding it in one of her purses. She sent me a picture. She's like, "Is this yours?" I was like, "Oh my god, yes it is. I've been looking for it for so long." She's like, "I found it in my purse. I'm so sorry." I'm like, "It's okay. You know, as long as you found it, we're all good." So I tested it. I made sure that it wasn't all nasty or hairy or full of holes. And it's not. So I'm still using it and I love it. I love it so much. So thank you, sister, for finding it. Also, another quick mention is the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye by Infallible. And this is the product right here. I also did a review on this product. I showed you guys kind of like a demo on how it works. I have not been able to put this eyeliner down, and I have a few different eyeliners, and there's just something about this. I like the formula. I like how black it is, and it's the eyeliner that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. This just makes it so easy. If you guys love felt tip eyeliners, you're really going to enjoy this because it's not like a flimsy felt tip, but it's not hard enough where you can't move it around. You know, it's just like the perfect flexibility. And to top it off, it also comes with this little stencil, and this is supposed to help you guide yourself to a wing eyeliner. I actually been using it. I don't use it on this side, which is where you're supposed to use it. I actually just use the long side. I put it here. I go in with my eyeliner, and it seriously makes such a difference because even though I feel like I've mastered the wing liner, I feel like I can never get them even. And this definitely helps. So if you guys are interested, check it out at Ulta. That's where I've seen it. Let's move on to a little bit of skincare. I only have a few products to share with you. The first one is a new face wash that I started using. This is the Cetaphil Pro Oily Skin Oil Removing Face Wash. It says here that it's clinically proven to remove excess oil, oil-free and fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, which means that it's not going to clog your pores. Now, this one is amazing. I've seen such a difference in my skin not producing excess oil. I still get oily throughout the day because that's just my skin type, but I've definitely seen a difference with this. Like, it tones it down. The next morning, my skin is not an oil slick like it normally was. I don't know what it is about this product, but I love it. I've also been loving the Cerave SA Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. This exfoliates and moisturizes while helping to restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, salicylic acid, and vitamin D. Salicylic acid is amazing for acne skin or texture skin, which is what I'm currently suffering from. I swear I've been trying to do everything to clear up my skin, and I just had such texture skin lately. And I know you guys are not going to be able to see it because of all the lights. And then I have these little things here that are reflectors, so it's like my skin looks flawless, but in reality it's not. I have a lot of texture skin right here, and sometimes on my forehead. Unfortunately, this broke me out. It didn't work out for me for my skin, but I've seen so many people rave about this and it bumps me out that I can't use it on my skin. I don't know if it's just too strong for me. I don't know, but my skin just didn't like it. Really quickly, I wanted to mention 2 products from the same brand, which is Makeup Obsessions. Again, I also did a review. You guys are probably like, damn girl, how many reviews you do? But we do a lot of reviews here, okay? This is the Isn't It Peachy blush palette, which is this one right here. I knew I was going to love it the moment that I saw it. I knew that this was going to be my go-to blush palette. This is exactly what I've been using every single day of my life. These are the blushes that I stick with. I don't use this one. Not really my thing. But if you guys love peach blushes, like there's not much to say about this besides run to Target and get it. It's that good. And then, of course, the Makeup Obsession Pure Baked Banana Baking Powder. I just did a dupe for this, duping it to the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. You guys were like blown away by the quality of this. So oh my god, I love this. Is what I have underneath my eyes today, and I can't get enough. The last thing that I have here is this makeup setting spray by the brand Bella Jade Botanicals. So this contains natural and organic ingredients, and it is also a versatile product. Not only can you use this refreshing spray to set your makeup for the day, but the revitalizing tea extracts along with DMAE and MSM work together to make a moisturizing and nourishing spray for refreshing up anytime. It contains antioxidants and like a whole bunch of stuff. I got a PR from them and they sent me like 4 of these. These are amazing. Like, look at how much I've actually used from this one. Do you guys see? And I only got it about a month ago, and that's a lot of setting spray for me. Like, I usually don't use this much, but I love the way that this sets my makeup. I love the way that this looks before I apply my makeup, or if I'm just not wearing makeup the day and I just like to spray in my face. My skin looks so refreshed. It looks a little bit dewy, but it doesn't make me oily, which I like. So if you guys are looking for a really good organic makeup setting spray, try this. Thank me later. Okay, you guys, that is everything. Those are all the products that I was absolutely loving, living, breathing, dying for in the month of June. I hope you guys found some new goodies, and if you did, let me know what you're going to be picking up. And as always, share with me your favorite products for the month of June. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video for Makeup Monday. Mwah. Bye!